Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I have another SG unboxing. I'm going to be opening up the 1603. It's my second one. The 1604 is my first one, but before we get into that, I wanted to introduce the SG A49 series. So I want to give a shout out to buddy Dwayne, who sparked up this conversation about getting a nice rally body on the SG, and being one of my favorite Wltoys, the A949. Decided to throw it on and see if it would fit, and it actually fits pretty well. I see it's pretty close on the back. I don't have it officially mounted yet, so that's why this is just a preview, but I wanted to give a shot of the wheelbase and of the width to show you that it actually fits perfectly. So very cool, very excited. I did see on AliExpress that you can pick up these bodies for about 10 bucks or 11 bucks. And it's nice because, here, I'll open this up and you can see it is officially SG 1604. This is the 390 motor and the 3S battery that I threw in there. Otherwise it's all stock. Oh, besides the oil shocks in the front. But yeah, this thing is one of my favorite small RCs. It did dethrone my actual 949. But the cool thing is the rally body actually tucks right behind it, so you don't have to cut the bumper. It would be helpful to trim the front just a little bit, but you can see the stock body, stock wheelbase. So I think the Wltoys might be just a little bit shorter, but because of that rally notch in the back, it fits really well. But anyways, getting into the unboxing, I love this RC so much I decided to pick up a second one, and I wanted to grab a second one to keep it stock, because I've been modding this one, and I have a brushless setup ready to go, but I'm holding off until I fry that ESC or something breaks on it. So surprisingly and luckily, this survived the last crash and flood, so I'm happy about that, and it still runs. I think some of the bearings are a little bit rusty, so I'll need to swap those out. But I'm having fun with this, and this will be the one that I build and chop up while I keep this one stock. And since it's my second one, I did pick up the the Baron, the truck version. I actually do really like the 1601, which is the black truck with the red and blue design on it. But I did go with this one, and very cool, just to go over the features. And if you guys get a chance, check out my first unboxing, which is the very first time I encountered this car, and everything was a pleasant surprise, and I was really happy with it. So, you know, nothing should be different in this unboxing aside from the body. But I wanted to give you a quick preview, and also before I get into the actual unboxing, I wanted to show you what's to come. So I have a bunch of Wltoys small series unboxing ready to go. You can see here, I think these are the A series 252, 242. I might have them mixed up. This is the K969 and K989. So the rally car version and the drift car version. This took me a while because I actually gifted the first one I picked up, and I was waiting for the whole set to do the series video on it. So initially I actually just ordered a replacement body, an extra wheel set, and the drift tires to throw onto the rally car so I can run different setups. But the addict in me decided to go ahead and pick up another one, and it's come in. So these, I believe, are 128 scale. These are 124 scale, so kind of like big brothers to each other. And it's kind of cool. Their bodies are a little bit different, but these two are the Rally Fiestas. These two are the drifting Porsches, which is pretty cool. And then one more to come is another beginner RC airplane. I also have some other RC planes that I haven't got to, but these will be in my upcoming videos. But let me get back to this and let's open this up. Alright, just got this thing pulled out of the box. Really nicely packed. I think they do a great job with this. You can see it's all RCs on top. On the side you have your accessories. So the great thing about this RC, amongst many features, is the transmitter. Very nice feel, great functionality. You have your light controls here, and then lots of adjustment. ESP is your gyro function, which works over 30% throttle. Your steering trim, and your you even have your throttle reverse and steering reverse, which is very convenient when you do an upgrade. That did come in handy when I threw in the 390 motor in the 1604. But aside from this, I can flip this open and look on this side, and you know, the amazing thing with this RC is that it does come with full ball bearings. It also comes with enough ready to run with the charger and battery, a tool set. They give you extra steering links, I think those are. And awesome is because it comes with an additional set of wheels with the drift tires. So really, there's nothing you need to upgrade on this. You know, you can enjoy it right out of the box. And something I mentioned, you know, what's great about staying brushed for this RC is to maintain all the features. You know, if you go brushless, you'll need to swap out the ESC, which is a 2-in-1, and then you'll have to add your own receiver transmitter replacement, and it's very cool. Nothing wrong with that. That's part of the RC hobby. But you do lose the stock gyro feature, and you'll lose the stock lighting, which is also another selling point of this RC. Is it's got a really nice body with built-in lights that work and that have different configurations. This thing is actually strapped down, as you can see, very well packed. So I'm not gonna cut it right now. I don't feel like chopping the video. So I'm going to open this up and give you a shot inside. But this is pretty much the same thing as the 1604, just the truck body, like the, there you go, check that out. And make sure not to yank up on it because the lights are plugged in. So let me go ahead and unplug that. So check that out, great quality body. Hard bucket for the front housing. There's even this little roll bar, hard plastic, and spoiler. I ordered the Mustang because I thought it was really cool, but this one's got the interior with the shift knob and drift brake, and you know, they both have their own selling points. And you can also get these spare bodies for pretty cheap, so you know, that's an option if you wanted to run whichever style you feel like running that day. But very cool, and this is a great one, and that's why I knew a second one was coming. So getting back to the upgrades, you know, a lot of people are looking to just break 20 miles an hour. And it's actually pretty easy to do. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do with this second one is try this 3S 35C discharge battery, and make sure that the stock 370 motor can run it, and which I doubt will be any problems. I've been running it on the 390 motor. It is a 12-volt output. I don't know the voltage spec on this motor, but we'll see what happens. And if not, I'll throw another 390 into that one, and it'll be a lot of blast. But my honest opinion, to get over 25, all you need is this 3S battery. That'll get you up there. I think Most are running stock about 16 miles an hour with the 390 motor on, and slightly better battery, 2S. I ran a 19, I think it was. And then with this setup, 390 and the 3S, I ran a 25 before I crashed and flooded the thing. But again, I got to check it and it's back up and running. But I think just with the 3S, and if this 370 motor can take it, I think it'll be well over 20, which I'll give it a shot. But I'm super excited, and again, really excited about getting this A949 edition going. And so something I noticed right now is because of the rear bumper difference of the two bodies, this 949 naturally fits on the 1604 because of this ridge. It actually kind of holds the body in place. So that's something to consider if you're going to do a body replacement. But I will say that the 949 body on the truck bumper rear looks awesome, because that gives it like a Pikes Peak kind of look. So I'll need to see, I'll figure out which one is would be cooler to mount this thing on. But this one will take a little bit more work. You can see it's not as slammed as it is on the 1604. But anyways, thanks for watching. You can check out my 1604 unboxing video if you want more details about this RC. Other than that, it's great, highly recommended. The only thing I would suggest upgrading or throwing on there, aside from power, would be just the oil-filled shocks. I know that the Wltoys oil-filled shocks fit directly on the front. The rear shocks are a little bit longer, so you'll need to and I think I found another small scale shock, I think 65 millimeter it might have been, that fits on the rear. So I haven't done that to the 1604 yet, but you can see the Wltoys shock on the front, all oily and nasty, but I haven't done the rears yet. And you know, something to keep in mind is it might not even be all that necessary, especially for a road car, but they do advertise this as rally setup and drift setup, and I think some oil dampening would definitely improve the performance of either rally or drift. So I'm liking how it handles on the 1604, so I'll definitely do that mod on this one. But aside from that, I do plan to keep this stock. So stay tuned again for my Wltoys small series videos, video series, and then some more running video once I get this out and running. So thanks for watching.